One of my priorities when I got this teardrop trailer was accessibility to nature. So I can get into 95% of the sites. Some of them are very small. You'd never get a big job in here. So find your priorities, get a rig that'll do you good. This is a beaver lodge, and he's on this beautiful pond, and I'm hoping they usually come out and swim in the evening, so I'm hoping he'll come out and swim in the evening, or she, because the sun is just about down. Beaver's out. Oh boy, I wish I had more light. It's tough, even on auto ISO, which is going to cut the sharpness. It's still tough to even get them in focus. Well, you know, these are not good exposures, but it's this or nothing. I'm using about 1,000mm lens on a point and shoot. I'm lucky to be getting anything in low light with auto ISO. So I'm lucky to be getting anything. So this camera goes out to about 600mm, 40 times zoom from 28 to 600mm, but then you can go to digital. This is the max optical. I tried using manual focus, it didn't help much. This is going into digital zoom. Oh, there's two beavers. Okay, one went down. Chewing some tasty bark. Sounded like they just made a sound. Vocalizing. Well, it's almost dark, so I'm grateful to be getting anything at all. No less a good shot. This is how it actually looks. That's how dark it is. The camera on video is doing 130 frames per second. So the quickest you're going to get is 1/30th of a second. With a long telephoto, practically impossible. I'm lucky I got anything. Here I'll moon you.